problem many manufacturing and warehouse businesses face is how they manage their stock, especially from long lead time suppliers. Hi, I'm Lee Candy and this is a TXM Lean Minute. Does your business often receive large delivery quantities from suppliers whereby it's much more than you can consume in a given month? This is a common problem that many companies face and is often a byproduct of not being in control of your supply chain. You'll typically find that you'll have too much stock at certain times and then not enough stock on other occasions. And if you're seeing these same effects, it's more often the result of your ordering pattern. If you order infrequently and sporadically, your deliveries will be longer and your shipment quantities will be higher. Now, if we look at it from your supplier's point of view, how can they plan a slot in their production if they don't know when the next order is coming? To mitigate this, they may increase their lead times and also their MOQs to you. Now, a lean supply chain means a controlled supply chain where both you and your supplier work together in more of a partnership basis. Your goal naturally is to increase the order frequency and reduce the delivery quantities as much as you can. So treat your supplier as a partner. Look to consolidate suppliers and give your preferred ones more work. Share visibility with them. Agree how often you'll place orders on them and when. Agree higher frequency drops and lower quantities. And work together to identify creative solutions to challenges you may face. And with increased frequency and reduced order sizes, you'll not need as much space. The time it takes to unload and process each delivery is reduced, the stock take time is reduced, and there's less cash tied up in stock. Call us at TXM to find out how we can help you reduce your stock and improve your on-time delivery. I'm Lee Candy. Thank you for watching this TXM Lean Minute.